Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to play the new ranked play Resurgence. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go over to HQ, which is at the top right there. From here you're going to scroll down, and from here on what's hot you will see ranked play Resurgence. But if you don't see it here, I believe you can just go to ranked play in general, or if it's pretty sure you can just go to ranked. I'm not sure if this brings you to the multiplayer one or the yeah, you can just, whatever, just let this skip. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the multiplayer one, but go back, and then if you want to check the Warzone one, I think you just click L3 on your controller, go down to Modern Warfare 3, go to, where is it? Go to Warzone, gotta find Warzone, Resurgence, right here, rank play, yeah, Warzone, and then rank play should be right here. And then, yeah. Now you will be able to go to rank play Resurgence and you'll be able to play it. And yeah, so that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.